सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्दमार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
Violence is not the solution to any problem. It has never benefited anyone ever. Rather, what it does, it destroys humanity in a person.
Where is my wallet? Hey Anirudh, did you see my wallet by any chance?
No, Dad. I'm going to classes.
Okay. Where did I keep it? The wallet. Where did I keep it? I'm getting quite late. Did I keep it outside? Oh, here it is. Where did the 5,000 go? I didn't give it to anybody.
Dad, today, actually I had removed 5,000 rupees from my wallet. I had to submit for geographical tour and you were sleeping in morning, so I couldn't inform you.
Have you not learned to ask? You have become the master of your own will. With whose permission did you take it?
You had said yes, that's why. Today was the last day.
Yes, I had said, but hadn't told you to withdraw it on the sly. Now first visit the ATM. I'm already late, but your tour shouldn't miss. Even if your dad misses the opportunity of going abroad.
I should have not told only. He would have just kept on searching and would have gone silently. From next time, I will not tell him at all.
Forget it, no problem. Let's go.
Shubham, come fast. Hey, come fast.
Yes, coming.
Come on. I will teach this Nikunj a lesson today.
What?
You just come with me. Nikunj, wait. Why did you tell sir that I did not do my homework today?
Because you didn't do the homework.
Yes, I didn't do it. Because I was not feeling well. Just because of you today, sir gave me punishment in the class.
So it is good that sir punished you. I'm sure you must be feeling all right now.
See, Nikunj, I'm warning you last time. If you say something like this from next time, then you see.
What do you mean? What will you do?
What will I do? Wait, I'll show you.
some things get spoiled in our life due to our unnecessary reaction. Like if someone talks arrogantly to us and say that don't do that next time, then we talk to him in a more arrogant way that we'll do it again. Tell me, what will you do? If at that time we talk politely and say to him, okay, then things won't get worse, and that man will go quietly away from there. But generally it doesn't happen. For a second, every person turn into Genghis Khan. Then battle will happen for sure. Actually, this battle is between the ego of both of them. But what happens after that doesn't just hurt their egos, but their body as well. Because body also have to face the consequences.
Tinku, even you will have a car one day. But I will buy a white car.
Hey boy, what are you doing here?
Nothing, sir. I was just seeing.
Seeing or was about to steal something?
No, sir.
Go, get lost. Yes, hello. Yeah, okay, I'll get it. Now, who did this? Hey, wait, you did this, right?
Yes.
Wait, I'll show you.
Next time, don't raise your hand on a kid. I only threw garbage on the glass. I could have even broken the glass. Your car didn't get dirty because I touched it. I was just seeing your car. Ugh.
I had told you, right? That this is a practice time. Don't play at this time. There is no other place on the ground.
Hey you, just go do your work. Your name is not written here. Who comes first here can play first. Got it? Come on, Ravi. Throw the ball.
Hey, listen. Don't act over smart. And you both get lost from here.
Last time you said the same thing.
I don't think you will listen to this.
You?
Are you blind or something? Can't you see such a huge car?
I was coming the right way. You who drive big cars aren't able to see small people like us.
Rather than accepting your mistake, you are arguing, huh?
If there was a mistake, I would have accepted it.
You have hit my car, and top of it, you are arguing. Wait, I'll show you.
What will you show me? Huh? What will you show me? My hands are not cuffed.
One decent man who left for some important work from his house few hours ago. Now he's standing in the middle of the road perspiring, and in front of him there's a man lying injured. In the state of anger, he forgot completely that he has to reach urgently somewhere. For him, that car loss was not as big as the loss that he will be facing right now. Whose mistake it was, that's not important, but both had to face the loss. And in a fit of rage, we harm ourselves, and it is not the sign of a sane person at all. Till now, you must have seen many fights from either side. If one side would have showed wisdom and compassion, then things would have been different. You want to know how? Let's see.
Where is my wallet? Hey Anirudh, did you see my wallet by any chance?
No, Dad. I'm going to classes.
Okay. Where did I keep it? The wallet. Where did I keep it? I'm getting quite late. Did I keep it outside? Oh, here it is. I didn't give it to anybody.
Dad, actually I had removed 5,000 rupees from my wallet. I had to submit for geographical tour and you were sleeping in morning. So I took it without your permission. Sorry, Dad.
No problem, son. But next time, take permission. Actually, I had to go to the passport office with the money. But now, I'll have to go to the ATM first. I'll get late now.
Sorry, Dad.
It's okay.
Shubham, come fast. Hey, come fast.
I'm coming.
Come on. Come on, I will teach this Nikunj a lesson today.
What?
You come with me. Nikunj, wait! Why did you tell sir that I did not do my homework today?
I'm sorry, yaar. I did not know that sir would punish you. I'm really very sorry.
Fine, it's okay.
Come, let's go home. I'll help you in completing your homework.
Okay, let's go.
I hope you're not angry with me now.
Not at all.
even you would have a car one day. But I will buy a white car.
Why? What were you staring at?
Nothing, sir. I was just seeing your car. That your car is so beautiful. Even I will buy a car one day.
Of course you can buy. In fact, you can buy a better car. Dear, I'm in a bit of a rush today. But next time I will talk to you about your car. Okay?
I had told you, right? That this is a practice time. Don't play at this time. There is no other place on the ground.
Sorry, bro. Actually, our coaching time has been changed. So we only got this time. And we were practicing here because we wanted to learn something good from you. Actually, our batting is very, very poor. But it's okay. No problem. We'll practice somewhere else. Come on, Ravi. We'll practice somewhere else. Okay.
Wait. Come, let's four of us practice together.
Where were you looking? Where is your attention?
Sorry, sir. It was by mistake. I'd lost my focus.
Come on, be attentive while driving. What if there was a major accident?
Because of me, your car got damaged. I have this 500 rupees. You please keep this. And give me your address. I will give you in installments.
No problem, friend. Even I was in a hurry. I had to reach somewhere. Even I could have avoided it. And you keep this money. It will be useful for your family. I'll get it repaired. No problem. Oh God. How will I reach now?
What happened, sir? Is the car not starting?
Yes, man. The car is not starting.
Don't worry, I will leave you, sir. Where you want to go? And I will get a mechanic from there also.
Oh, please, man. If that can be done, it would be great.
Yes, yes. Please come, sir.
But even your auto is damaged as well.
No problem, sir. I will see it. You please sit. It will start. Come, please come.
So did you see? Violence doesn't solve anything. The solution always comes out peacefully and wisely. You know, like a coin, every situation has two sides as well, head and tail. Now we have to decide what we want in life. The perpetrator of violence or the sufferer of violence can only give violence to the people around him, be it your family, friends, or any stranger. You can only win him over with your friendship and affection, not by intimidating him or by your anger. Anger can only create a rift between family relationships. So I would like to request you all that do not commit violence and do not allow violence to happen. Non-violence is the greatest policy.